Every year when I talk about mooncakes, I do get a lot of hate in my comment sections. Come on, people just want to have fun. Why don't you just talk about how delicious it is? Those people like you, they're people who have eating disorder. So shut up. Fine, I will not talk about calorie for this year. So let's talk about sugar instead. So your favorite mooncake, how much sugar does it have? A lotus seed double yolk baked mooncake, trust me, those are favorite to me, has about 45 tablespoons of sugar. So let's put that into perspective. Inside bubble tea with brown sugar has about 16 to 17. So eating one lotus seed baked double yolk mooncake is the equivalent of 2.5 medium size bubble tea. If you want to enjoy it, what should I do? To enjoy it, you just have to plan ahead. Maybe share with a friend. Cut your mooncake into a few pieces, share that with your family friend, or share the whole piece to your enemy so she can get fat. Plan ahead. If you are going to have mooncake today, perhaps you should cut off that donut or cookies or that milk tea you want to have today. So increase your activities for that day so you won't feel guilty about consuming the entire mooncake for yourself. I hope this helped. I will see you next time.